Hi everyone and welcome back. Today I'm going to be showing you exactly how to install your mag shoe and exactly how to put your flash onto your mag shoe so that it's secure and is not going anywhere during your photo shoots. So let's hop right in. So the first thing that you're obviously going to need is some sort of light stand. This is the one that I use. Then we're going to grab our mag shoe and we're going to loosen the thread. Go ahead and put your mag shoe onto the light stand and tighten the thread on the bottom until you can't tighten it anymore, but don't over tighten it. Now we have our mag shoe on our light stand. We're gonna make sure that it's up straight, and now we're gonna put our flash onto the mag shoe. Right here is the mag shoe where the flash actually attaches onto the mag shoe. This is the open position where it can receive a new flash. This is the locked and the closed position where the flash will stay on and not come off. So we're gonna go ahead and open it. Now you can put your flash on any way you'd like. And I just put my flash on like this, then I lock the mag shoe, and then I wanna make sure that I like to double lock it, so then I'll also lock the flash. So now that the flash is on the mag shoe, we're pretty much ready to rock and roll. The typical light setup that you'll see me use often is when my light is like this, I lean the mag shoe slightly forward, just like this, and then I have the flash shining down onto the subject so that it looks like the natural spread of the sun and it almost looks like you're not firing a flash. So if I were to do that for myself, it would look something like this. We'd have the flash stand right here. So if my subject was right here, I'd want the flash pointing down at about 45 degrees of an angle to naturally spread light onto them and make it look like the sunlight. If you want to go a step further, you can go ahead and add a quarter CTO gel to this, or even a half CTO gel, depending upon how warm the light is of that day and what time of day you're shooting. All right, so I hope you found this helpful, and thank you so much for watching.